Right.
Want to say when?
No.
Okay. The daily check: oil, coolant, water, and transmission fluid. Very important. Check for leaks at the impeller, the exhaust, and the water intake. Weekly check should be the transmission fluid and the gearbox by opening this nut. Stop.
Gone.
Check the belt tensions here and here for the alternator. Check for wear. Check the fuel system. Bleeder on top, and underneath here. This is the first stage fuel filter. Check for gunk and debris, water, by using a plastic cup underneath. So the motor for the pump, that is solid, and check the switch. Make sure that this is on. Oh, that's cut off. Okay, stop.
Go.
Underneath the engine, keep an eye out for excessive oil. The engine will drip oil, but if there are pools of it, you've got a problem. Stop and check. Check for kinks in the pipe. If there's a kink, it will restrict flow of coolant. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Starting up the engine, it is important that you see water flowing here and over the side.
And over here, Kevin.
Over the
Yeah.
Also, check for leaks here. If there's a leak here, it's the seal. If there's a leak back here, it's the seal at the back of the housing that has to be replaced. And that involves taking off the whole unit.